The subject with symptoms of cough, wheezing, chest tightness, shortness of breath can be diagnosed as asthma. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease of the airways that causes narrowing of airways and excess mucus production, which leads to difficulty in breathing. Symptoms of this disease like chest tightness, shortness of breath, wheezing, and there are many factors to trigger asthma like cold air, excess pollens, and bronchodilators used to treat asthma and also COPD. The most common bronchodilator is salbutamol or albuterol, but it has some side effects like fast or irregular heartbeat. Salbutamol is a beta 2 adrenergic receptor agonist. Let's talk about pharmacological effects and mechanism of this drug. When you inhale salbutamol drug, it travels through the lungs and reaches airway smooth muscle cell and binds with its receptor called beta 2 adrenergic receptor and also bind with beta 1 receptor especially in cardiac muscle leads to higher irregular heartbeat. This beta 2 receptor is a G coupled protein receptor. It has three globular protein alpha, beta, gamma. After binding this drug, G alpha monomer gets separated from its receptor and binds to adenylate cyclase enzyme. This is membrane bound enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of ATP into CMP. Increase in CMP activates protein kinase A. Protein kinase A activates myosin phosphatase enzyme and inhibiting myosin light chain kinase enzyme. By activating this enzyme, which removes phosphate group from myosin light chain, leads to smooth muscle relaxation. The G beta gamma heterodimer activates potassium channel and the potassium ions goes from intracellular to extracellular matrix leads to hyperpolarization of the smooth muscle cells. Hyperpolarization of the smooth muscle cells leads to relaxation, decreasing contractile activity. This occurs because making the cell's membrane potential more negative closes voltage dependent calcium channels, which reduces calcium influx, lowers intracellular calcium levels, which leads to airway smooth muscle relaxation.